today I'm going to be showing you the cat its name is Lily. So, where is she now, Mom? She going here? That's her. Come here, kitty. Where you going? Come here. Whoa. Look at her. Can't know. Mom, when's blinding the cat? No pen. Choo-choo. No pen.
It doesn't want to be called.
Choo-choo. Well, I'm gonna at the end of video soon because the cat. Well, I'm gonna at the end of video already. At least you got to see him. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Oh, never mind, the cat's here. Kitty. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.